Isa pa sa mga isla ng Palawan na dinarayo ng international celebrities, ang Amanpulo o ang Isla ng Pamalikan, bahagi ng Cuyo Islands. Alam nyo bang nakarating na dito sina Emily Van Camp, Tom Cruise at kamakailan lang, pati si Mariah Carey. Tahimik itong paraiso, tamang-tama sa mga umiibig. Matapos ang isa't kalahating taong relasyon ng magkasintahang sina Tab at Edward, nagdesisyon silang magpakasal. Dito mismo, isang beach wedding.
Amanpulo because that's where my husband proposed. So we wanted to recreate the proposal into our wedding. So we wanted to celebrate it, with family and loved ones.
Exclusive ang kanilang wedding. 30 tao lang ang inimbita. Yun lang talagang mga malapit sa kanila. Pero ang nagastos, umabot ng halos ₱250,000. Pero para sa mag-asawa, ang mas mahalaga, ang hindi malilimutan nilang kasal sa napakagandang isla.
It was very relaxing. So it's really like paradise that all your worries are really left behind. So it was good. And I guess everyone also enjoyed and felt the same way because up to now, we would remember it, we would talk about it. So it was a very good experience.